If you would like to recover your deleted messages on your Messenger app, here's how to do it. So, of course, you have your Messenger app, but to get your messages, you have to go to Facebook. So, when you go to Facebook, you have to click on the top right area here where you have your profile picture. You have to click on it and then scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Now, when you're in Settings, you have to select Settings again, and then you have to scroll down to Your Information. Here you have access your information, download your information, transfer a copy of your information, but we're interested in downloading your information. Now, we'll be specific in a second. So you have to click on continue, and you have this information here. Your information include things you shared, your activities, and things we collect. So Facebook collect your, of course, they have a database of this messages encrypted. So you have to select download or transfer information. And then you have to select the account you'd like to have that. And then you have two options, available information or specific types of information. So we're going to select specific types of information since we're looking for messages. And now that we're here, we're going to look for messages. So you have different information here. So now that we're here, we're going to look for messages, and we have messages here. We have to check the box as we've just done so. And then we're going to click on next. And you have two options, to transfer to a destination or to download to your device. So you're going to select download to your device. And you're also going to select the range. So if it's for the last year or for some days, you have the closest, you have the week, and there is the option for custom, so you could also select the dates, so that's good. And we could say last week and select next, and then it's going to notify you in your email. The format is going to be in HTML. The media quality, you could change it from medium to high and to low, and then you can select create files. Now when you create files, it's going to start the process of actually retrieving your deleted messages. Now, this may take a while, it may be short, depending on the range of the period of time you're looking for in order to recover. So this is how to recover your deleted messages. You have to go through these steps in order to have a chance to get those deleted messages.